Hello friends, in this tutorial we will try to cover how to create and set up blogger account for your blogging starting. Most of the settings will do that. Create a blog, will try to see dashboard, writing a post, HTML view, post setting, page layout, create page, adding menus, change theme and edit, blog commenting and many more. So let's do it. Make sure that first of all make sure that you have logged into your Google account. So search here blogger and search. You will get a link blogger.com. Instead of searching, you also can get it. New tab here. Scroll down. You can see it. Blogger app. That's easy. Okay, let's go to with link. Now you just need to sign in. If you have already an account in blogger, you just sign in, or if you don't have any account in blogger, you have to create a blog. So just click on create your blog. Look, it needs to your Gmail account. I'm typing my Taimur Sakib BD. You just need to name your blog that I am. Look, I have typed here that Taimur blog. Next, you can see here you have to address your blog that it is a subdomain of blogspot.com. So make a subdomain. Okay, you can see the dashboard here. Okay, it's a terms and condition, you can see. Okay. Okay, to make it simple, first of all we need to create a post. You can say it a blog or a content. So click on new post. So now we have entered a new post. First of all we just need to name it. For demo example, we named it that make money online. So now we are going to paste here some dummy content. Now you can see we did it fast. Okay, we should go back and you can see the output of this blog. Look, the full theme of our blog. On the other hand, you can see it. Look, this is how the blog is. Okay, now we will see the HTML view and post editing. Look, this is our compose view, and if you want to see the HTML view, just go to this button and click on it. This is HTML view. Also, you should go compose view. Okay, now we will see the blog editing. If you want to bold it, just select and click on B. Now how it looks. Also, you can make some colorful things. Look, this words is now red. You can make something linked like abc.com. Now it has been linked on abc.com. If you click on it, it will redirect to any website. Okay, you can ask me that how did I upload here. For that, you just need to click on insert image and upload from computer. Choose file and select the image as you want. See, the image is uploaded. Okay, this is how you can upload the image, and now you can update here. Also, if you want to select this, also you can make it center. You can take this right line. That's how easy. Also, you can make things quote. Just select and click on it. Look, it is made quote, like a quote. Also, you can select and list it. You can increase the font size and decrease it. Just select and click on like paragraph, normal it or large. This is how you can do it easily. Whenever you upload the image on top of the blog, it will take the feature image by default. Also, look, this is the blog. After finishing this blog, you just need to update here. It has been uploaded. Go back. Just look at the view of this blog. Look, this is how you made your blog. Also, people can comment here. Okay, let's go back. Now we will create pages. On click pages and click on new pages to create page. Just make a page like and publish it. Confirm. Again, you can make another page. On click on new page, you can name it make money. Confirm it. Go back. You can see the blog. Taimur Saki blog, taimurblog.blogspot.com. I'm going to cut it and make it simple. You can see the blog. Oh, we did not edit the menu, so go back and going to add this menu. Now we are going to add the menu on our site. For that, just click on layout and wait and scroll down. You can find page list top. Click on this icon. Look, you can see home, make money. Also you can add here a new menu, page name, SEO blog, blog. I put the URL here and save it. Again save it. Let's go back and you can search here. Proceed. Look, you can see 3 menu we have added now. Home, make money. Oh my god, home. Okay, let's find it. Go back and page list. We just need to delete it. Okay. Name it SEO. Okay. Save it again and refresh it. Now you can see home, make money, SEO. If we go to this, look, there is no blog because we did not make any blog here. We just need to post many times. Let's go to home button and you can see our first post is showing in front of us and second post is it. If you click on read more, it will take you to the page. Look, now you can say how you can change the theme. For that, just click on theme and here you can see lots of free theme. You can easily use it. There is no copyright issue. There is, let's say this is a cute theme. Click on it, dark theme, and apply it. Okay, new theme applied successfully. Go to your theme and refresh on it. You can see the theme. Look, our home button, home, make money, SEO. Okay, again we can change it. Let's go back and click on it, apply it. Look, it has changed easily. Again, go to our first theme. This is how you can change the theme. Look, you can see the states here. For example, let's see. Look, we viewed it 16 times. That's why it's showing us 16 times people views on it. Commenting. If people comments on your blog, it will show here, and also you can reply here. Go to settings again. You can write description for your branding. You can add custom domain here. If you don't have, you can also buy from Google. If you want to show HTTPS version, it's allowed. Also you can uncheck it, but it is recommended to check maximum posts. It's showing you because maximum 7 posts will show in your page. You can increase it, let's say 8. Lightbox. What is lightbox? Let's go to our page and click on this image. One minute. Click on this image. Look, this is a lightbox. That's why it is showing is. So friends, that's all I tried to cover about blogging and blogger. If you have motivated something by my video, just like, comment and share it. I will continuously upload this type of video about SEO and SEO related blog and blog related video in my channel. Thanks for watching this video.